dust, mold, mildew, bacteria, allergens, and other airborne contaminants are no match for XPower's complete line of commercial-grade air scrubbers. Offering 3- and 4-stage filtration systems for thorough air purification, you can trust XPower air scrubbers to perform in even the most challenging water damage and mold restoration job sites. All units feature a high-torque external rotor induction motor to generate powerful airflow while creating negative air pressure to prevent cross-contamination. A variable speed control switch provides a full range of speeds for quiet operation and adjustable airflow control. Available in a variety of models for custom applications, choose from XPower's daisy-chainable X-2480, odor-eliminating X-3500, covered exterior X-3700, and Clean Pro X-3300. Lightweight and stackable, XPower air scrubbers are easily transportable. The multiple stage filtration systems ensure filter efficiency and long life. A convenient red light indicates when to clean or replace filters. XPower is your source for powerful, effective, and reliable air purification solutions for even the most challenging job sites.